Hey guys, welcome back to Mario Party, and we are about to see what the hidden block is. Block. It's Bowser. Oh no! Float. Jesus friggin' Christ. DK missed the star. Now everyone, like almost everyone, has enough to steal a star. So which one am I? Okay, I'm a hip dropper. Hip dropper. I drop hips. Dropping hip time. Bum, 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 bum. I wonder how this cloud feels. Well, it's sad. Look at it. Wario's doing really good. Look at that. I'm not totally convinced we're gonna win. Well, I'm pretty sure we're not gonna win. How's the prawn plant so far back? So close. Well, not really so close. Wow. Dang. Now everyone but... No, wait, Yoshi. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, Dika's gonna get the happening star. Yoshi. Oh god, he's in the lead for coin star now. I have to catch up. Because I'm pretty sure I haven't gotten to 70 yet. He cannot get that coin star. Well, he can, but I don't want him to. And nor can they. Oh. Oh! That's fine! Oh, wait. No, just... Ah! That had to be chance time! Yoshi. Wario. Good. Oh, crap. Crap on butter crap. Now Yoshi is in the lead for stars, the coin star, and coins. Dang it. I'm still kind of convinced that I'll win the minigame star. Running of the bulb. Yippee! No, wait. Okay, Yoshi's the bulb carrier. I just want to punch the living hell out of him.
Ready?
Gah! Goshi. Back. This game is really fun with like actual people. Because you're like, oh, go over there, get that boo. Yes! Got a boo. Don't. No! Oh, crap. You guys suck! A lot! Yeah. Ah, yes! Do it, Yoshi! Wow, wow, wow.
Finish.
Okay. Woohoo! Last two turns. View map. Alright, 2 spaces left. It's the last turn. I need a 3 or higher. No, 4 or higher to get the toad. This is a tough decision. I think I've decided. No! Okay, not F, no, but... You might be wondering why. Because I really think the coin star might decide it. The coin star will definitely be a big part in deciding that. Because Yoshi's in the coin star, that makes him at 4 stars if he gets it. Oh, and of course I have to worry about those 2. If I'm beating Yoshi and get the coin star, I win. And of course the minigame star. Great! Oi.
Ready?
Okay. 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 No. Bad. Bad. Very, very bad. Go. 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 Yes! I win. Or not, I don't win the entire game, but I win that minigame. Yes! Okay. Last turn. This is really close. Okay. Oh, I forgot about that! Okay. 9. Oh, I'm gonna pass Koopa! But actually, let me think. If I steal a star from Yoshi, we'll both have 2. And I'll be really bad in coins. I've already been doing so much thinking. Okay. We'll both get that. Just let me see the map. Okay, wait. Where were we in DK? Where are they? Okay, he... Can't get the star. I think I should just steal coins. Yoshi. Because if I'm losing in coins and he gets the minigame star, I mean if he gets a coin star and I get the happening star, I mean the minigame, if I get the minigame star, did I just steal 20 coins? I just stole 20 coins with Boo! Holy crap! Ooh. If you steal the star from Yoshi, steal it. Better. Yeah! Yoshi just got trumped! Now that I think about it, I probably would have won if I bought the star. Well, I would have won by a lot more. I didn't take into account that DK might, you know, steal a star from him. I'm very, very confident that I will win this. And DK gets another red space. I don't think I've landed on any. I think I've only landed on spaces that give me blue. Paddle battle! Now, if I lose, no, I'll be fine. Okay! I'm owning on, like, everything. Seriously, I'm owning on, like, 50%, no, not 50%. Like, a lot of the things. I seriously don't know what the advantage is for the one player. He probably just pedals faster, but, like, I mean, he pedals better, but, If you want to make it a punishment minigame, just make it a punishment minigame, and don't lie to us and make it think that the one player has an advantage. Apparently, people in my party have ores that go through stuff, because that's exactly what happened. This ore went through the ground. See? No, what? Okay, I think we got like 9 coins. Oh, 9 coins. That's like impossible. I meant 3 batches of coins. For some reason, I thought you got 3 per thingy. Okay. 2, 1, 1, 1. Coins. 131. I can't believe I stole 20 coins from Boo, and even if I didn't, I'd win. Game Star, Peach! Eat it, sucker! Coin Star, Peach! Now it's impossible for anyone to win. Seriously, it's physically impossible. Happening Star, DK! DK suddenly took a really, nifty shortcut during the end. Superstar is Peach Toadstool! Peach actually did good for me. That's something new. This is a pretty good, ending, I guess you should say. So what has this engine been powering? Maybe it's Luigi. Maybe he died. It's an airship! It's not the airship from Mario 64, but I'm sure it's a tribute, because this game, like, is made love with Mario 64. I don't know. Ah! That's what you get! I hate you, Wario. You do. You do. So actually, the people who have won most are Peach and Luigi. Okay, Luigi's not surprising because, you know, it's me. There, so Peach and Luigi, but the 2 comms that won. So that means Wario and... Who was I in the first one? Yoshi never won a game. Oh, I didn't look at detailed results. Dang it, I hate when I do that. 13 coins interest, sweet. So wow, I have quite a lot of coins. These games have been really wanting me to get coins. So yeah, next board is the secret board. And that's gonna be awesome because I love this. Well, actually the secret board sucks. Well, one of them does, the other one's pretty good. So yeah, I've seen this before, and I'm gonna try to be, well, I'm not gonna say. But yeah, since time's almost up, see you in that secret board. See you guys then.